All rise. Judge Vonda v. Court is now in session. Judge, this is the case of the Hawkins.
Thank you.
Yes.
You all may be seated. Okay. Mr. Hawkins, you brought this case before the court.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's going on?
I just recently found out that she's just decided to retire now, and she's getting severance pay. And
She just decided. Wait a minute, let me stop you. She just decided to retire. So she's
no,
still.
not just decided to retire. I just found out that she was retiring. I knew she was close to retirement time, so but I didn't know she was retiring now.
So she works a job.
Yeah, she's a teacher.
She's a teacher, and she has a severance package as well.
Yes.
She's received. Okay, do you know how much it is, or is there something I have to ask her?
You can say my name.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me. Let me address him, okay?
Okay.
I'll come to you as soon as I'm done.
Okay.
I promise.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Go ahead.
Well, it's around $20,000.
Around $20,000. Okay.
Yes. I'm not sure the exact thing because it's not mine. So.
How many kids do you all have?
We have one.
One child.
Yes,
Okay.
one little girl.
Okay, one little girl. How old is she?
17.
17. Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay, you almost have her out the house.
Taking her butt to the military.
Okay. Okay. Ma'am, how much is the severance pay that you have?
Well, it is.
What amount is it, ma'am?
It's $25,000.
Okay. And how much are you making as a teacher right now?
52, thereabouts. Not as much as him, though.
How much does he make? Why are you talking to him like that? Why are you referring to him like that?
Well, Chris is just, he's just a great guy. He does well. He's very smart. Aren't you, Chris?
Okay, do you guys, do you all need to be here today? It sounds like you have other business that you probably need to attend to.
No, Your Honor. Just, we broke up quite a while ago.
Okay.
I'm remarried now.
Okay. So
I think this is just some theater going on. So
ma'am, are you aware that he's married?
I've heard some talk.
Okay. He just told you he's married.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So we're going to stick to why we're here. We're not here for you to tell your love story about him, okay? This is for us to talk about you paying child support. Now, your daughter, who does she live with?
Our love child, yes.
Okay, your love child. Who does your love child live with?
Chris.
Okay. And she's been living with Chris, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
all right. And since she's been living with you, Mr. Hawkins, have you been receiving any type of child support?
Yes, we have. It's around $227 now.
Okay.
And I've been just putting that in a trust for our daughter, so she'll be able to get that once she's older.
Okay.
So I'm just right now just wanting this money, so it goes to her. So when she ends up leaving, go and do what she has to do, she has the money. So I'm not trying to break her or anything like that.
Okay.
It's just to help support my daughter.
Well, I hope you wouldn't, because she seems pretty infatuated with you. Ma'am, so what I'm going to do is calculate your child support, okay? So your child support I have at the $52,000 a year. That's what you currently make as a teacher.
Yes.
Okay. Your gross is $4,400. And then that brings your net down to $3,653.78, okay? Are you taking notes and following me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So now we have your severance pay. I can deem that as income as well, okay? Yes, I can. You looking real confused, but I can, and I am, okay? So $25,000, we have your gross at $2,100, okay? Mm-hmm. And then your net at $1,823.23. Okay, do you understand? Is there anything wrong with the numbers?
Well, I'm a teacher, so we struggle. 50, that's not a lot of money that I live on. You understand, I'm sure.
Well, I understand, but I also understand that this child has been living with Mr. Hawkins, and you understand that child support is based on a calculation, right? Mm-hmm. Right?
Right.
Okay, and any income, anything that is considered income it can be calculated in terms of calculating what your child support should be. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay, so based on that, I have a combined net of $5,477.01. Yes, ma'am. And then that brings, well, let me back up. I see here that you all both carry health insurance on the child.
Yes.
Okay, both double insured. Okay, so you all just maintain that. After a while, she'll fall off anyway because she'll be an adult. So I have your child support amount at $1,095.40. But I also heard you. Are you okay, ma'am?
Yes.
You're hyperventilating over there. Are you okay?
Well, Chris has that effect on me, but
Oh, you know what? I'm not even about to entertain that. I shouldn't have asked. That was the wrong question. I do apologize. Mr. Hawkins, you did say that the two of you were cordial.
Yes, it's
okay, because what I did, I also calculated what your child support would be a month as well because of how you all, I mean, your child is an adult, right? No. So based on what your child support would be, it would be like $871. Based on, the documentation that you turned in as a police officer, right? Yeah. Does that sound right? Is that pretty accurate?
But I don't want too much stress on her because apparently it's
just don't look at her. Just keep looking at me. So, yeah, because it's creepy for me to even see it on my peripheral.
I can just do with $200. It's gonna
$200.
She's got another year. It's $200.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is order child support at $200 by agreement of the parties. Okay. Yes. All right. Is there anything else, ma'am? You know what? That's great. Why don't you have a conversation with his wife after the show? Okay. Is there anything further?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Nothing further.
No.
Okay. You all are dismissed.
Right, thank you.
Hi guys, it's Vonda Bailey, and I'm coming to you as the lawyer this time. We have arrived at the educational portion of our show. I just wanted to go over what this segment would cover and how the different scenarios interact with child support under Texas law. I want to talk to you all what you just witnessed in the Hawkins case. In this particular case, mom was the teacher. She also had a severance package. Can she pay child support based on both of those? Well, yes, she absolutely can. Although her severance package, as she stated on the episode, was just the money that she received, I believe the $25,000, it was sitting in a savings account. No harm done, right? Well, for purposes of calculating child support, the court can deem that as income. So the amount of money that she made as a teacher is also calculated with the $25,000 deemed income to get her monthly child support obligation a month. And something else you all noticed in that episode, the parties were able to agree to a child support amount. You're more than welcome to do that. Although you have guideline child support in Texas, the parties can come to an agreement and agree to a certain amount of child support if they believe that it's in the best interest of their child. Do you know of anyone who's experienced a similar situation? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and make sure you comment below. You never know, their story may end up as a scenario on our show. After all, these kids aren't raised on air alone. Support Court with Judge Vonda B.